In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can fix this product has inventory but shows as sold out. Now I've made multiple videos about this. I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix this. Very simple fix. As you can see, just fix this. I fixed it on my Shopify store. Now first, what you want to do is let's just start with the basics on how you can fix this, okay? And after that I will show you other ways on how you can fix this. Now first, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left and then click on shipping and delivery. Now after that, you want to click here on create custom profile. Now after that, you want to name this whatever you want. Customers will not see this, okay? And then click on add products, and then you want to add here the products that are out of stock on your store. Then click on done, okay? So after you click on done, you want to scroll down, and here you can change the shop location if you want here, or if you are using, for example, I2DS, or let's say you are using CG dropshipping, you can just choose it here, okay? So after that, you want to add here the shipping zone. You want to click here on add shipping zone, and then you want to enter here the countries, and then this zone, don't worry, you will not be able to see this. Just name it whatever you want. Make sure you include the zones here. Click on done, and then click on add rate. After that, you want to click here on custom rate name. You want to add here standard, and you want to enter here the shipping price if you want. If you want to leave it free shipping, leave it as it is. Click on done, and then click on save. Now check if this is working. Check now if the problem is solved or not. If not, what you need to do next is you want to click on the products, okay? Now after that, you want to click here, or it says just like all the products you have a problem with, you want to select them, okay? In my case, I just have one product on this testing store. Just include all the products and then click on bulk edit. Now after you click on bulk edit, you want to click here on columns in the top right, and then you want to scroll down and find continue selling going out of stock. Now after you click on that, what you need to do is you want to check all these boxes that says continue selling going out of stock, okay? So that's all you need to do. You want to include all the variations. You want to just check this, okay? Check all of these, okay? All the products, check them here like this, okay? After that, you want to click again on columns, and you want to scroll down and click on track quantity. Now track quantity, you have to uncheck. If it's checked automatically, you want to uncheck every box here, just like this. You want to check all the continue selling going out of stock boxes, but uncheck all of the track quantity boxes. And after that, that's all you need to do. You want to click on this. I'm going to click on reload this page so that we can save changes. After that, you want to click on back. Now check if the problem is solved or not. Also, another thing you can do is you want to click on products, click on the product title. Now here it says active in the top right, in the status. You want to select here active, okay? After that, you want to click on save, okay? So after you do this, if this doesn't work, you want to scroll down, okay? Just keep scrolling. Also, yeah, let me just check. There is a problem here. And what you need to do is you want to check all of these, and then click on more actions, and then click on quantity, okay? Edit quantities, and then choose here the shop, the location, okay? I'm going to choose this one. And what you need to do next is, or you can just click on bulk edit. After that, you want to click on here columns, and then search here for quantity, okay? That's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to search here for unit here, cost. Yeah, depends on your location you are using. If you are using the shop location, you can just enable it here. If you are using another software or like I2DS or CG, you can just enable it here because it will be managed by that company. You will not be able to manage here the quantity. Just select here which company you are using. If you are just using the shop location, you can choose here shop location. Okay, so as you can see here, the shop location available, you will be able to see all the available products here. You will also be able to see if you are using third-party apps, if you are using them, you will be able to find them here. Now just check all of these and see if everything is good. If the quantity is available on these shop on location or on hand or the third party you are using. So that's exactly how you can fix this. Hopefully this tutorial helps you. If this doesn't work, what you need to do is you want to click on the video in the screen right now. I have already made this video like better, okay, very detailed video. Just click the video in the screen right now. Make sure you drop a like on this tutorial, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.